Pablo's 34,000% ROI potential, Peanut the Squirrel's unique appeal, Sudeng's charm, why these coins are taking the market by storm. The cryptocurrency landscape has transformed into an exhilarating arena for meme coins, captivating Gen Z's and millennials' imaginations across Australasia. This week, the top new meme coins to join this week feature two standout projects, Arctic Pablo and Peanut the Squirrel. These coins are generating significant buzz with their unique narratives and vibrant communities. Arctic Pablo promotes a playful yet engaging concept, while Peanut the Squirrel blends whimsy with potential profitability. Let's explore the details of these intriguing coins, their stories, and why investing in them could be a smart move this week. Arctic Pablo, the adventurous coin with uncharted potential. Arctic Pablo coin isn't just another meme coin. It's an icy adventure with a storyline so captivating that investors are itching to be part of its journey. The $APC presale has unlocked location 3, Chillhaven, and is now priced at $0.00023. The adventure is already heating up as Arctic Pablo embarks on his mission to uncover hidden treasures in mythical lands. Picture this, Arctic Pablo, a daring explorer with a trusty snowmobile, navigating through frostbitten terrains in search of mystical treasures. Each presale phase ties into a new location, and with Chillhaven already unlocked, the community can't wait to see what's next. The coin's narrative bridges myth and reality, offering a unique experience for investors who want more than just returns. They want to be part of a story. Arctic Pablo has officially raised over $100,000 and is making incredible progress through Chillhaven. The momentum is building, and this is just the beginning of an exciting journey. Arctic Pablo's presale strategy sets it apart. Unsold tokens are burned weekly, creating scarcity and driving up the value of $APC. The final presale price is set at $0.008, with a launch price of $0.008, promising a potential ROI of over 34,000%. The burning mechanism ensures a deflationary environment, which makes $APC not just exciting but also a smart investment choice. Arctic Pablo is a meme coin and a portal to an adventurous journey. Its creative presale structure, deflationary tokenomics, and immersive storytelling make it a top new meme coin to join this week. Peanut the Squirrel, a community-driven darling. Peanut the Squirrel may not have a presale to boast about, but it's capturing hearts with its quirky charm and dedicated community. This meme coin takes inspiration from the everyday antics of a mischievous squirrel named Peanut. Investors and enthusiasts are drawn to its relatability. Who doesn't love the idea of a squirrel hoarding treasures? The coin's backbone is its community-driven nature. Peanut the Squirrel thrives on collaboration, with holders actively participating in decisions about the coin's future. This grassroots approach resonates with the millennial and Gen Z audience, who value transparency and inclusivity. The project has quickly built a loyal following, and its social media presence is buzzing with memes, updates, and discussions. Unlike Arctic Pablo, Peanut the Squirrel doesn't offer an adventurous narrative or a deflationary mechanism. But what it lacks in complexity, it makes up for in charm and simplicity. This coin is perfect for those who want to join a project that feels like a fun, friendly club rather than a financial venture. Sudeng, the rising star in the crypto world. Sudeng is quickly making a name for itself in the world of meme coins, standing out with its innovative approach and engaging community. Its charm lies in its simplicity and relatability, offering a refreshing change from the more complex projects in the crypto space. What sets Sudeng apart is its ability to blend humor with practicality, creating a unique, fun experience for investors while delivering real utility. The Sudeng token promises to bring value through its community-driven growth and its potential to ride the waves of the meme coin craze. This has caught the attention of many, particularly those seeking the next big thing in cryptocurrency. Conclusion: based on our research and market trends, Arctic Pablo, Peanut the Squirrel, and Sudeng are the top meme coins to join this week. Whether you're drawn to the adventurous and deflationary allure of Arctic Pablo or the community-driven charm of Peanut the Squirrel, there's something for everyone. Don't miss the chance to join Arctic Pablo's presale before it moves to its next location, or dive into the fun-filled world of Peanut the Squirrel. Adventure or community, The choice is yours. Join the Arctic Pablo pre-sale now and be part of the icy expedition. Please like, share and subscribe for the latest updates on crypto. Thank you.